Welcome to SmartBoard training. Today we're going to talk about a couple of things. First of all is pen types and all the different kinds of pens and how to access them, how to erase. So first thing we're going to do is this, remember, is the selecting. This is a selector. Okay, so if you're ever trying to select something to move it, make sure that you click selector and not your pen, because if you try to move it with the pen, you get this. So make sure that if you're moving, you're using the selector button. Now the pen, there's all kinds of different pens available. There's a regular pen, which is just, regular old line. There's one called a calligraphic pen, which is really nice because when you turn, it kind of gets fatter on the end. Just kind of cool. Crayon, which is kind of like drawing with a crayon. There's highlighter, which is just, pretty self-explanatory. Text pen, what that is that lets you write something and then it converts it over into text. Creative pen lets you kind of do some of these things here, with this is kind of cute with the happy face, the stars, it's all kinds of different things. Paintbrush, different kinds of paintbrushes here. Magic pen, which is kind of cool because you can draw something. Either if you draw a circle, it will zoom in. If you just draw a line, the line will disappear. Hopefully it will disappear. Maybe it will disappear. Yes, it disappeared. And shape recognition pen, which tries to see what you're drawing and try to make a pen out of it. So those are the basic pen types, but there's also something you could do. Change the pen to so I'm going to do this thing here. Okay, true. Now what I want to do is put this in a box. I'm going to put that in a box. Then I'm going to group these together. Okay. Then I'm going to lock them. Now what I'm going to do is do what's called a erase to reveal. So I'm just going to make this bigger. So then when a student is doing an activity, you could say, okay, what do you think this is? And then when they erase it, the answer comes up. So if you were to write over it, you can come back and erase it. It's kind of like a scratch card, kind of, where you can go back and erase it to see what the answer was. So when I choose the eraser button, come up with the answer. And obviously, there's my eraser. So hopefully you learned some new things here. It was sure a pleasure to help you out with this, and enjoy.